Put this video together to reveal to you the shocking truth on a company called MCA. There are a lot of college students running around saying they're making thousands of dollars a week. Is this true? Well, yes, absolutely it's true. In fact, when we further investigated, we found that it was not only easy to make money, but here's the shocking truth that the majority of the people are not even aware of. You know, most people don't know that they could be making money every single month with this company. We're going to reveal to you today what 99% of the people who are even involved in the company, they don't know that this even exists. So when you take a closer look, what's causing thousands of people to run into this company every single day is a simple fact that you earn $80 when you sell a $19.95 membership. You know, that's taken the industry by storm. People are signing up like crazy. Everybody's signing up by Saturday night, midnight. These guys are paying a check out on next week on Friday. So there are thousands and thousands of people that are joining this company every single day. But here's the real key that most of them are not even aware of. Here's where the real money is. You know, when you stop selling these packages, then your weekly checks can actually dry up. But what if you could get paid every single month, even if you didn't have to sell another membership? This is what the majority of the people don't even have a clue that this exists. And it's the power of their matrix. When we did some investigating, here's what we found. That everyone doing the $19.95 plan, they're not in this brand new matrix that this company just started. They're still in the first part of the compensation plan. They're missing the home run, as we say in the industry. The platinum plan for $39.99, it is the absolute best plan that will maximize your income in this matrix. Now, here's what we know. Rather than just selling a membership and getting paid the next week, people who are understanding and have found the information that we're sharing with you, they're making a lot more. See, they're getting paid over and over again off the same memberships that are out there. Most people will keep this membership. In fact, I understand they have over 7 million members right now. People love the coverage that they're getting. They love the unlimited towing. They love, the $500 checks when people have covered accidents and the hospitalization and all of that good stuff. Guys, I'm telling you, what's going on with this company and the checks that people are receiving are absolutely phenomenal. But the real money is in the matrix. See, there's many people out there that can't sell a membership. They can't recruit anyone. Then they definitely need to be in the matrix, because without sponsoring anyone, as a platinum member of this matrix, guys, you can earn up to $7,575 a month. Now, this is a shock to many of you because you didn't know that this matrix even existed. If you can recruit people, or if you can sell memberships, you're going to make a lot more money in this matrix, along with the money that you're making every single week. See, here's the key. You can make up to $7,575 every single month. And the way that it works is you have to, first of all, be in the matrix. You got to get positioned in the matrix right away. And your sponsor, as they continue to bring other people in a 3x8 matrix, they can actually start to drop people in underneath you. And if you understand the way a matrix structure works, there's only 3 positions below you on your first level. After that, everyone else that comes in has to be forced down underneath one of these 3 people. So it's an amazing concept of what they added with this 3x8 matrix. So as these 3 people that fall underneath you, as they build out their matrix, as they build a business, guess what? You could be earning up to $7,500 a month. Well, here's the real key to this matrix. If you are a person that can sell a lot of memberships, and you are not putting people in the matrix, you are doing yourself an injustice. Because bottom line, if these 3 people were people that you knew, that you put into the business, instead of your income potential being $7,500 a month when their matrix is full, with the exact same amount of people filling up their matrix, now your income potential has just jumped to $30,000 a month. So ask yourself a question. If you can make up to $7,500 a month without selling a membership, but if you decide to sell memberships, And let's say these first 3 people that you sell, they fall on your first level. And as they build their matrix out, you end up earning an additional $30,000 a month. Would you be happy? Absolutely. And that's why we say the majority of the people in the company, they don't even understand this and know that this exists. When these 3 people that you have, as they go out and they sell their memberships and put people into the matrix, now look at that structure, because this company pays 100% check match, not only on the personal people that you sponsor, but it pays an additional 100% check match on the people that they sponsor. So assuming everyone had a full matrix, guys, you would end up with over $98,000 per month. That's over $1 million per year. It's the power of this incredible double check match matrix. I've never seen anything like it. So here's what you have to realize. Even if the people that you personally sponsor, let's say Bob is only making $500 a month from his matrix, you get 100% check match of that. Same thing with Tom, the same thing with Sue. In fact, the more people you put in the matrix, the more 100% check matches you're going to receive. Same thing, if you sponsor Sue, she's making $1,000 a month. You also make $1,000 a month from her matrix. Now, watch this. Sue goes out, and every person that she sponsors, she gets a 100% check match, and so do you. Guys, this is absolutely phenomenal what's going on. The matrix starts off slow, income-wise, but as it builds and gets larger and larger and larger, that income can not only surpass what a person is making on a weekly basis, but it's literally retirement income. I've never seen anything like this. So if you are in MCA and you're on the $19.95 a month plan, you're doing yourself an injustice. You need to be a part of this brand new matrix. The way that you do that, so you're not leaving any money on the table, we tell everyone to get the platinum plan, to come into the platinum club. Why? Because for $39.99 a month, you not only qualify for the first part of the commissions that everybody's talking about, but you're also now getting the additional matrix money. It's absolutely incredible. So all you do is you go to your back office, you hit the upgrade, you choose the platinum plan, and you get into position right away. We ask everybody, I want you to think about this. Over the next 6 months to a year, what would your life be like if you could retire wealthy? Well, there are many people in this company that are going to do that because they understand the matrix and they're putting people into that matrix. Here's what you need to do right now. If you're a person that can sell a lot of memberships, you definitely need to be in a matrix. You'll make a gold mine. If you are not a person, this is really key. If you're a person that just simply, you can't sell a lot of memberships, you have difficulty, you need to be in the matrix so you can get the help from your sponsor who needs to be a platinum member so that they can help you build together. That's the power of the matrix. That's the power of becoming a member with this company. So we wanted to share with you the shocking truth of what's going on. There are people right now making an incredible income on the matrix, and 99% of the people in the company aren't even aware of it. By the time they figure it out, millions will be made. So make sure that you go to your back office, you upgrade immediately, get into the platinum plan, and if you're a brand new person looking at this video for the first time, I tell everybody, guys, start out at the platinum plan. That way you'll be put immediately into the matrix. Make sure you get with the person that shared this video with you and ask them how to get started in the platinum plan immediately.